The Honourable Minister for Infrastructure and Transport, officers of the Fiji Road Authority and Fletcher Constructions, the Commissioner Northern, Commissioner of Police, ladies and gentlemen, government officials, firstly I would like to convey my appreciation for the traditional welcome ceremony that has been accorded to me and all the government delegates present here today. I'm happy to be here today for the commissioning ceremony of the Thongaloa Bridge, but as I said, I would like to remind Fiji Roads Authority that work still needs to be carried out with the road leading into the bridge, and there's a small wooden bridge there that I thought that some maintenance work needs to be carried out. But first of all, on behalf of the Fijian government, I would like to sincerely congratulate and thank the Fiji Roads Authority for completing the bridge 5 months ahead of schedule. The commencement date was April 2016 with a scheduled completion date of February 2017. The actual completion date was September 2016. Today, as the Prime Minister, I have come to commission this vital 59.5 meter bridge. The opening of this new bridge is a cause for celebration, as this bridge opens up a door of opportunities to communities who have been cut off through the years of neglect. The Thongaloa Bridge was one of the priority bridges identified by the Fiji Roads Authority that needed immediate replacement. There was a need to demolish the original bridge because it was unsafe for vehicle and public use. The opening of this new 4.39 million bridge is part of the earnest progress that our government is making in our continuous efforts of modernizing infrastructure development for our nation now and for the future. A critical area of our national development which has been neglected in the past decade. The new bridge, of course, will alleviate the struggles and the pains experienced by the members of the public and other travelers for the last decade as a result of the deteriorating condition of the old bridge, particularly for school students and farmers living in this area. The Thongaloa Bridge has been transformed from a single-lane bridge to a modern structure with increased capacity that can support the single-lane traffic. Nearby communities will now enjoy a much safer and improved accessibility to health facilities, schools, markets, and other public facilities. Ladies and gentlemen, I've had the pleasure of commissioning many infrastructure projects in Puno. For the Northern Division alone, the Fiji Roads Authority has sealed 50 kilometers of the Namboa-Lutaketi Highway and replaced all 14 bridges along the 70-kilometer road. They've also sealed 30 kilometers of the Savu-Savu-Mbula Bay Highway and have resealed and rehabilitated roads in Mombasa town. Since 2014, the Fiji Roads Authority has also completed over 110 kilometers of resealing and 30 kilometers of rehabilitation of sealed roads annually. Each year they carry out over 150 kilometers of unsealed roads gravel build-up and sealed short sections of unsealed dusty road in front of schools, health centers, and villages totaling over 6 kilometers per annum across Fiji. My government fully understands the frustration, inconvenience, and damage caused by poor road conditions, and every time we get extended periods of rain, potholes develop on the older sections of the road. There's not been a reseal for more than 10 years in most of the roads in Fiji, and we have spent the last few years just revealing the mistakes of the past. We are now trying to create a new standard for our roads for the future. Roads that are too old and damaged need to be reconstructed to give them better strength, shape, and waterproofing. We must also continue to protect and reseal the roads that still appear to be in good condition. If we don't, the roads will fall apart very quickly and need much more expensive reconstruction. It has been challenging to get the right balance, especially when we go through periods of prolonged wet weather, and so we ask for little patience after these events. Since December last year, Fiji has been affected by a series of tropical depressions. We had TDO4F in December, and as of this week, we are up to TDO14. That is up to 10 tropical depressions in 2.5 months. TDO4 delivered 3 times more rainfall received from tropical cyclone Winston. There are still years of hard work ahead of us, and my government will continue to build a better life for all. Ladies and gentlemen, let me at this juncture commend the contractor, Fletcher Construction Company, for their professionalism in the execution of this project. They have delivered the project ahead of schedule, under budget, and to the required quality standard. I also thank the people of Nongala for their patience and support during the construction period. It is my pleasure to declare Nongala Bridge officially open for the benefit of our beloved nation. Now, God bless you all.
Naga, andalo tu na wabung buat ang kulo. Dan napa kalau ngetegir kata napa ngetak. Thank you.